everyone, welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video we'll be having a quick how-to tutorial of how to use OpenRouter in n8n. So now it is a lot more easier to integrate or use OpenRouter in n8n. First, you want to ensure you have an OpenRouter account and generate your API key. And after that, in n8n, start by adding an HTTP request node, which will act as the bridge between n8n and OpenRouter. Set the request method to post and the URL field. Paste the OpenRouter's endpoint for the AI model you want to use. After that, under headers, includes your API key for authentication, and in the body, structure your prompt or input data according to OpenRouter's specification. You can now then connect this node to other nodes in your workflow to automate tasks like content generation, data analysis, or chatbot responses. So after saving and activating the workflow, n8n will send requests to OpenRouter in real time, enabling seamless AI-powered automation with minimal coding.